undone, afraid my shame would be exposed, afraid of really being known. But then you
Guys, as you can tell, Christmas is coming. It's round the corner. Can you believe it? About 2 months away now. But that means our Christmas fest is going to be happening soon. So we need some volunteers. So mark this in your calendars. Christmas fest is happening on the 16th of December, but we're in need of your help. So if you want to help us, you could roast some chestnuts, you could make some candy floss, you could help people through the Santa's grotto with as an elf. I'm not doing that before you all start thinking, you should do it, Sandy. But you could be that person to be an elf this Christmas. So why don't you join us for that? And you can sign up on a form. You can fill it out on our website, excelchurch.org.uk/serve, in order to be involved in that this Christmas. But also, we are looking for some orchestral instrument people who can play instruments. So if you can play stringed instruments, woodwind, and all of that jazz, then we would love you to come forward, speak to Dan if you are gifted in that area. But we are looking for grade 5 people on that. Now, if you're musical, you'll know what that means. So if you don't know what that means it's not you. So grade 5 and above. I got grade 3 in flute, so I obviously can't do it. But if you're grade 5 and above and you play a woodwind instrument, then speak to Dan so that you can help us out. And these are the flyers as well for Christmas Fest. It's all happening. It's got all the details on there of what's going to be happening over Christmas here at Excel Church that you can get involved in. So I hope you remember all that information.
set us free. You are marvelous. Your light is marvelous to me.
Guys, did you know that we're looking for a brand new cleaner to join our team here at Excel Church? So we're offering someone very special the role 12 to 14 hours a week where you can come and clean the church for us. It's a very necessary job and very much needed, so you'd be a valued member of the team here. But you can find out more information on that and apply on our website. So head over there, excelchurch.org.uk, to get all the info on that vacancy. We'd love to have you join us and be part of the team and help us clean.
Walk out of the darkness and into the light, from fear of shame into the hope of life. Mercy called my name.
So guys, that's all for Excel News, but don't forget this Wednesday is our AGM meeting, the annual general meeting, and there are refreshments, so just come for the free biscuits, guys. But this is for those of you that are partners of Excel Church, so if that's you, then do come along for this meeting. It's super important. There's only one a year as well. And it'll be a great way to see you. So there's no prayer and Bible study this week because it's the AGM meeting. So we'll hopefully see you there at 7:30. Have a great week, guys.